Hi, I'm Samet Kütük, Community Advocate and Head of Marketing at the Autoware Foundation and a champion for the OpenADKit project. Today, I want to talk to you about OpenADKit, the first ever SOAFEE Blueprint. Autoware-powered autonomous vehicles have been running globally since 2018. Now containerized, operates within the cloud-to-edge continuum, connected via OTA. Developed, tested and deployed on virtual cloud platforms, in lab environments, and on real vehicle platforms via the OpenADKit. Autoware Foundation, SOAFEE, eSync Alliance, as well as a variety of industry partners empower this collaborative initiative. And the main objective of OpenADKit is to make Autoware software-defined. Employing over 200 nodes, Autoware already has a very sophisticated microservices architecture. And when those nodes are bundled into containers, the whole system sits nicely on top of SOAFEE's architecture, treated as applications. And when those containers are orchestrated between the cloud and the edge, using open source or enterprise tooling, then it becomes a cloud-native solution, enabling shift-left and massively scalable testing. Far from overlooking critical automotive requirements, OpenADKit actually serves as a virtual proving ground for SDV stakeholders to test concepts like mixed critical orchestration and real-time execution. OpenADKit's agile and open source development methodology, featuring a full-fledged CI/CD pipeline, invites SDV players to get involved by bringing their technologies into the mix. We've been demoing and running proof of value projects over the last 3 years. For the sake of introduction, let's take a closer look at our most frequently used demo that is based on Autoware's planner. We have built a hypothetical simulation case where the ego vehicle gets stuck behind the stationary vehicle on its path, because otherwise the planning module cannot safely overtake the obstacle while other vehicles are cruising on the adjacent lane. Autoware developers had to rectify the issue by altering the planning behavior by updating only the planning container. Before reflecting this change in the real-world environment, by sending an over-the-air update to the modified container, we validate the improvement by running the simulation scenario on Tier4's web.auto. And we confirm that the expected behavior is in place. After this stage, we can now safely deploy the updated container on the cloud workbench and on the edge hardware in the vehicle using eSync OTA campaigns, selecting the specific payload and identifying the target hardware to be deployed. Well, after the OTA update, we run the simulation case one more time, and after reviewing, we realize that the planning behavior is altered successfully, and now the ego vehicle can safely overtake the stationary vehicle on its path, despite the oncoming traffic in the adjacent lane. Now let's hear from our industry partners who contribute to the OpenADKit project.
Red Hat is an avid proponent of exactly this kind of open collaboration as a force multiplier accelerating SDV transformation. Red Hat has contributed our containerization expertise to this effort, as well as integrating our upstream AutoSD Linux project, giving developers a path to the commercially backed, functionally safety certified Red Hat in-vehicle operating system.
Shift-left development using modern virtual hardware technologies empowers developers to test and validate earlier, well before silicon is available. This accelerates time to market and allows for faster iteration, driving innovation forward. At ARM, we use OpenADKit to showcase how shift-left development can be done in practice. Parity between the cloud and the edge enables developers to be more efficient and confident in their work.
Excelfore is committed to standardizing cloud-to-edge connectivity in automotive. We are greatly encouraged by the pioneering work done to prove the first SOAFEE Blueprint on Autoware OpenAD Kit, deployed into containers, installed and updated over the air, into virtual platforms in the cloud, real systems in the lab, and actual driving vehicles.
At AWS, we leveraged Autoware Foundation's OpenAD Kit on AWS Batch to run massively parallel containerized autonomous driving simulation in the cloud. This cloud-native approach delivers virtual prototyping at scale, executing hundreds of scenarios in the same time, accelerating developers' iteration, and eliminating manual orchestration. It transformed our AD ADAS validation with unprecedented speed and flexibility.
In this video, I explained what values our SOAFEE Blueprint OpenAD Kit brings to the SDV community. We showcase only the most simplistic demo for the sake of introduction, whereas we continue to build generational OpenAD Kit demos and implementations, including running foundation models in containers, building mixed critical solutions, and putting all those on real vehicle platforms, all thanks to OpenAD Kit framework and to our partner ecosystem. This is a broad industry effort, joined by multiple automotive consortia, their member organizations, as well as individual contributors. So let's recap those values in key takeaways. Test even before the silicon is made available, and stretch out your development loop to every car on the road. Achieve hardware-agnostic solutions and software interoperability through containerization. Leverage cloud-native development to build at scale, using cloud-to-edge continuum and parity. Choose to use Autoware to build your autonomous stack, freely and collaboratively. Don't reinvent the wheel. Instead of competing on non-differentiating elements, focus on what values you can bring to your customer. Thank you for your attention.